Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome to ParchitaFM, the only radio station worldwide that does dozens. Still all about base 12 today, trying to push 2 more symbols into our counting system. But why, Nesta? Why should we use a system that goes up to 12 if we have a perfectly fine, well-working system that goes up to 10? Base 12 is not way better than decimal. There are just a slight little few advantages that it does have, but it's not going to revolutionize mathematics or anything. Painfully hard, complicated math is still going to be freaking painful and hard and complicated. There are just a few little things that become more intuitive once you learn thinking in base 12, mainly concerning fractions and division and stuff like that. For example, let's say you have 10 things and you want to divide it up between 5 people. That's easy! Everybody gets 2! Yes. But that's only true with 5 and 2. 12, on the other hand, can easily be divided between 2, 3, 4, or 6 people, and yes, of course, 12 or 1 person. That's 2 more than 10 can, and if you think about it, smaller numbers are more common than larger numbers, so that 3 and 4 would be pretty handy compared to 5. And in base 12, this is true for all numbers that end with a 0. Think about it this way. In decimal, it's very easy to count in 2s, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. Because the last number just repeats, just 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, and so on. This also works for 5 and for 10 and for 1. You can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and it's very easy. In base 12, you can do the same thing with 3 and 4 and 6. So you could go 3, 6, 9, do 3, do 6, do 9, 2 do 3, 2 do 6, 2 do 9, and so forth. Just as with 4, 4, 8, do 4, do 8, 2 do 4, and so on and so forth. And of course the same thing still works with 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, dec, do 2, do 4, do 6, do 8, do dec, 2 do. And then there's also fractions. In decimal, a fourth is 0.25. In base 12, it's just 0.3. Don't even get me started on a third. Now you got me started. A third is such a common and important fraction, but we have a weird relationship with it because it's this weird number. It's 0.3333333, and it never ends. Why is it this weird never-ending number that goes on forever, even though it's a very simple, very well-defined fraction? Alright, let's think about this. Add 2/3 and a quarter. What do you get? You get 0.91666666, and then you have to just decide when to put a 7. In base 12, a third is just 0.4, so 2/3 and a quarter would just be 0.L. So no, base 12 is not way better than decimal, but it is better. And why be satisfied with a good thing if there's a better one just lying around there not being used? And the problem is not really to find out which one is better. The problem is converting from base 10 to base 12, because that's just impossible. But then again, nobody's asking anybody to get rid of decimal. As a matter of fact, I think the best solution is to understand both. If we were to learn dozental in school, just as we learned decimal and binary and hexadecimal and all of those bases, if we were to understand that 10 is not this fundamental number that everything else is based upon, but just an amount like all the other amounts, and that we could count in 6s or in 5s or in 16s or in 257s if we wanted to, I think that would make understanding math easier. Why is that a gangster thing for me? Yeah, gotta get those numbers, man. Follow me? I said 1, 2, 3, man. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Deck L what? Dope. That's what I'm saying. I ain't playing. I'm gonna be spraying those numbers all over the place. Yeah. Now, then give me the beat, give me the flow. Yeah. Numbers. Count 1, 2, 3. That's what I see. If you wanna count, that's what I'm about. Gotta spit it out, get it right. That's what I like now. Do it good, do it real nice. If you want something, then you gotta eat spice. I don't know why that's true, but it's cool. Everything that I do is gonna be ooh. This decimal thing is probably going on because we have 10 fingers. How would one count in base 12 with their fingers? It's pretty easy. You don't count the whole fingers, you just count these segments here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 3 times 4. 4 fingers, 3 segments, 12. One cool thing about this is that you're not counting your thumb, so you can use the thumb to memorize where you add. 4, 9, do, 3, 2, 1, whatever. The other cool thing about this is that you only need one hand. You can use the other hand to, I don't know, play table tennis, fix a puzzle, paint a picture, write a poem or something. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4, 4, door, core, whore, on the floor. No, that doesn't sound right. Shut the door. 5, 6, 6, chicks, bricks, pick up sticks. 7, 8. Well, if I pick up sticks, obviously I want to lay them straight. 9, deck. What the heck? L, do. Yo, bro. You know for sure, though. That's how it go. That's how it go. Bam! That's what I'm talking about right there. That's a pole, bitch. I should prepare my acceptance speech. Fee, fi, fo, fum. I want to have some chewing gum. My all-time favorite thing that you can do with the other hand is count how many 12s you have counted here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. 1, 12. 12. 12. And this way you can count up to 144 with this hand. And another 12 on this hand, amounting to 156. 156. 100. I can't say it often enough. That way, this is a specific number. And this too. And this. And this. So what do you think about base 12? It's pretty neat, isn't it? Shout out to all the 20 people who are going to watch this video. Thoughts in the comments. And Hank, I'll see you Friday. Pink. 12 things, on the other hand, can easily be divided between a lot of people. You can take 2 people or 1 people.
Or you can be divided between 3 people or 4 people or not 5 people. Okay, you can't do 5 people, but why 5? Huh? Why 5? You can do it between 6 people and 12 people too. And you can divide it between 7 people. But it gets a little complicated. I am going to stop doing the Indian accent now. I'm going to switch on to the Jamaican accent, you know. Me not even care where you think, you know.
Where you look palm of a boy. 12, on the other hand, can easily be divided between. Easily be divided between. What? 12, on the other hand, can easily be divided between. Oh yes, now I got it, and I still stop. 12, on the other hand, can easily. 12, on the other hand, can easily be. I was so sure. 12, on the other hand, can easily be divided. And in base 12, this is true for all. What? ParchitaFM